Hello to everyone and welcome to Vistaverse. Get ready to explore a world of wonder with captivating Islamic history, fun-filled kids cartoons, exciting science discoveries, and much more. Whether you're here to learn, laugh, or be inspired, there's something for everyone. Make sure to watch the video all the way through without skipping. You won't want to miss a moment of the amazing content we've prepared for you. Let's dive into the Vistaverse together.
Hey Anna, I've been thinking about ways to earn some extra money online. Do you know of anything that actually works?
Yeah, Mimi, there are quite a few ways people are making money online. Have you thought about freelancing?
I've heard of freelancing, but I don't know where to start. What kind of jobs are available?
It really depends on your skills. If you're good at writing, designing, or coding, you can find lots of gigs on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr.
I'm pretty good at writing. Do you think content writing could be a good option for me?
Absolutely! There's a big demand for content writers, whether it's blog posts, articles, or social media content. You can create a profile and start applying for jobs that suit your skills.
That sounds promising. But what about passive income? I'd like to earn without constantly working.
For passive income, you could try affiliate marketing, starting a blog, or even launching a YouTube channel. You could also sell digital products like ebooks or courses. Let's go to room and talk about it more.
Okay, let's start. Okay, explain a little bit more about affiliate marketing. How does that work?
It's simple. You promote other companies' products on your blog, social media, or YouTube. If someone buys through your referral link, you earn a commission. It takes time to build, but it can be a great income source.
That sounds interesting. But don't you need a large following to make decent money?
Not necessarily. A big following helps, but even with a small audience, you can earn if your content is valuable. It just takes patience and consistency.
Thanks, Rana. I think I'll start with freelancing and maybe look into affiliate marketing once I get the hang of things.
That's a great plan, Mimi. Just stay consistent and keep improving. You'll see results in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.